today it's a lot of raining, so we cannot go outside. I'm gonna show you how heavy the rain here. And our roof is dripping na, dripping. Oh. And our tent is broken. And all is wet. Heavy rain, heavy wind. Look at that. Oh my God. It's 1 week raining already. And there's another 3 typhoon coming this month. Very bad weather. Look. It's wind and the rain is so heavy. So, but I need to go to the market. We ran out of food. We ran out of food already. But look at that. Very heavy, heavy. You cannot see the mountain. Too much rain. Look. Too much rain. See? Kawawang baka. Look at the cow. I think it's still cold. Too much rain. And all the field is already water. Very bad weather. So, the news said the rain is until on Wednesday. But still, we still have 3 typhoon coming this month. So, we don't know what is happening tomorrow or next day. So, and how many days? Really, it's how many days? It's like 1 week already, non-stop raining. And if it's like this raining, you know, in the province, before our province is no flood. I cannot see any flood when I was young. But now, maybe because of a lot of population already, and or the garbage everywhere, so a lot of plastic is stuck on the, what is that, the canal. So everywhere now is get flood. Somehow says here is there's a water inside their house. The weather is very bad, and I'm here at the window. I am waiting to stop this rain, then I'm going to the market. I need to buy some stock. Not good. And every night it's more strong. More strong the rain and the wind. So sometimes I cannot sleep at the night. Very, very bad weather. Please stop raining. And I feel the cow there. Oh, he's not moving. I think he feel cold. Poor cow. It's
I
raining
don't know why
outside.
You have me on here with no shirt. That's what I can say. No, well, it's very loud. Sometimes I have to turn the TV up very high so I can hear it.
But you cannot see outside, yeah?
At least it's not high.
flood everywhere. And I need to go to another ATM machine. Because this is the problem here. There's only 2 ATM machine here. So it's very hard when 2 ATM is empty. So no money. So I just came back from the market and you can see it's flooded everywhere. This is the problem when it's rainy season. You cannot go somewhere because you know in the Zambales is always the first place that always have typhoon, our place. So it is starting, but you know the good news for that, when it's rain here, the farmer is very happy because they can have a lots of water to put water on their rice and easy to plant the rice. So if you can see the people, even it's heavy rain and they still on the field planting the rice. But the problem when you work in like a construction worker and you need to stop because you cannot work because of the rain, so no work, no pay. So a lot of people get hungry because no job. The house watching TV, but it's like now how many days raining, so I've just remove all my clothes on the wardrobe, in my wardrobe, and then I separate my old clothes, my old dresses, so I can give it to my sisters or some person that need a clothes. So that's it, nothing to do when it's rain. Cannot go somewhere. So, but it's good because it's cool, it's cold, and I have things on my nose. I accidentally dropped my phone on my face last night and I can see that one. That's not a pimple. So, I'm not feeling well today, real bored, nothing to do. So that's the update for today in our life, in our province. So, and look, it's already 11, so need to cook our lunch. So hope you enjoy my short video, my 10 minutes video, I guess. So see you next video. Bye bye. I'm not so like in a good mood today. I feel like tired, I wanna sleep. I cannot sleep last night. It's like 2 AM already, I can't sleep. Because of the heavy rain. I can heard the water and the wind, and it's because I always remember when I was like young, and we sleep very, very good, and when we woke up, we already have water in our house. So sometimes, you know, when it's raining like this, you can sleep because it's gonna be happen again, so we don't know, right? So we need to get ready always, and not so like relax, because this month and another month is still rainy season and a lot of typhoon coming. So some of you wants to visit here at this month, so cancel it because it's rainy season in the Philippines. But I think some of place in the Philippines is not so heavy rain. So the typhoon is always go to the province. Like here in our province, it's always raining a lot. So guys, that's it. That's update for today. So thank you for watching, and see you next video.